Hey friends, welcome back. My name is Christine and I'm just doing a quick update on my garden that I planted a few weeks ago and then also picking some radishes, so I thought I'd bring you with, so come on with. Okay, so it's been about a week and a half, 2 weeks since we built the garden bed and planted the summer squash and peppers. And look at it, it's looking amazing. We've actually had to water almost twice a day just because it's been so dry. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that whopper there, 6, 7 summer squash plants, and I put in some marigolds to help pollinate. I've got 1 little lone pepper plant here, and then these other pepper plants. Yeah, these are kind of sharp, and looks like something kind of ate on that one a little bit, but it's looking decent so far. So I thought I'd just do an update, and I picked some of my radishes. I know I'm late with my radishes, but they still turned out decent, and I had a rogue albino radish in there. So I'll show you my little first harvest. Okay, so here's the other new addition to our little urban homestead. It is a 40-gallon rain barrel with a diverter kit, and actually it's really nice. It hooks right into your downspout. And then my husband didn't end up putting the screws in because you can actually take that out in the winter, and there's a cap for it. So yeah, so we are hopefully going to be getting some water. I mean, I guess I should say rain, and then I'll be able to water the garden, which is right there. So, and then on my deck as well. So my 50-foot hose should reach really easily. So I just thought I'd show you that. Here's a couple of my little peas that are forming. I've got one there. These are the beans. And then here's some more pea action. And so there's a pea here and a bean there. These are the rest of my beans here. More beans, and then I did a yellow pear tomato. I know it's like super late, but, and then my tomato plant is doing well. Hi, Kibble. And I've got a few that are kind of getting ready inside here. And yeah, that's just kind of a quick update. I'm actually letting my dill go to seed, and I'm going to do some seed collection on that. My mint is still going crazy, like you saw in my video with my mint tea. And yeah, so I just thought I'd show you the update. Thanks for stopping by my little channel. I just thought I'd give you an update on what is happening in our little urban homestead. So we picked some radishes today, and then just kind of showed you around that my summer squash is doing well. And actually I did plant just a couple of winter squash, which I did not show. And my peas are starting to get peas, and my beans. I did do the topping off, so they're going to be a little more bushy, I'm hoping. But I know I'm a little bit late to the season, but I'm just going to do the best I can, right? Just like all of us. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time on Christine's Routines. Take care, and God bless. Our little urban homestead. We got a 40-gallon water barrel. Oh boy, neighbors are crying.